girl, don't go nowhere. Go nowhere. I'm tryna show I care. I'm tryna show I care. Oh baby, yeah. You think I'm playing you bad or behind your back, girl? So you keep on playing me back, girl. We can't relax, no. I never wanted that. I know you don't want that.
All I see is signs. All I see is dollar signs.
Okay guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this wig. My hair is fully braided back, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my plastic cap and just put it on my head. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my dome cap. I got this from my local beauty supply store for like $3. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on top of the plastic cap, just so, you know, like I said, to protect my natural hair. I don't want the glue to like seep through. So I went ahead and I ordered this hair from AliExpress. I ordered this on AliExpress. I actually bought this hair a long time ago. I'm going to put the vendor down below because I don't remember. The hair was really good quality. So the glue I'm using is the SALON Pro hair bonding glue, and I got this from my local beauty supply store also. So the first thing I'm going to do is okay, my hair came into 3 bundles. It was 20, 18, and 16 inches. So I'm first gonna start and glue down my 20 inches at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the wefts, cut the wefts, add the glue, and then glue it down. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps until I am done with the bundle.
Oh, she tick and she talk like the time. What a girl look fine. What a girl look fine. Like a invertebrate, this girl have no spine. She don't hesitate to the pole she will climb. What a girl look fine. What a girl look fine. The way how she back up, she back up, she back up. Watch how she sweet and she hot up. Look how she bound that's a fat up. Wine to the ground and then she come back up. To the sound of dance.
Okay, so here I am done with the 20-inch bundle, and this is how it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and use the 18 inches and start measuring, cutting, then gluing it down. So I'm just gonna keep doing the same steps until I'm done with the bundle.
Step to the front of the line.
Once I'm done with the 18-inch bundle, now we're gonna start with the 16-inch, and I'm just going to measure it around my head because I'm getting bangs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue like a circle around my head. So I'm gonna repeat the same steps until I am done with the wefts, basically.
Line up for me, baby. Hey. I wanna see my babies in love. Line up for me, baby. Yo. Ladies and boys. Line up for me, baby. Cranberry, Bacardi, mixed with soda. Make y'all bend over the whole thing. Stop, massa.
So once I get to the end, right, there's like a hole in the middle of my head. You have to try to like cover that up. So we're going to make a closure. So the way you make a closure is basically, I'm going to take my weft, right? The little piece that is left, I'm going to take my weft and I'm going to start rolling the weft. I'm going to go ahead and use that glue and put that in the middle. And then we're going to flatten the weft until it turns into a closure, basically. So we're going to flatten that up. I'm using my Devolve flat iron. So now I'm just going to go ahead and glue that down. So I'm just gonna glue that down and then I'm done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the wig off. Then I'm gonna remove the plastic from it and put it back on my head. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut this bang. I was actually so nervous trying to cut this bang because I've never cut my own bangs before. This is my first time and I think I did a pretty freaking good job. So I'm going to try to cut it like a little bit. I don't know how to explain it, but just cut the hair. I usually measure it with my eyes, like the bottom of my eye. I measure it with the bottom of my eye and I just cut from there. because when you cut from there, it's long enough that you can, you know, if it's too long, you can cut it shorter if you want to. I'm gonna straighten my bangs, and then I'm going to go ahead and straighten my whole hair. So I'm just messing around, just trying to fix it, make it look straight, make my bangs look nice. To be more like super precise, I put it on my little mannequin head, and I just like straighten the hair even more because I want it to be like super bone straight. After that, I went ahead and I used my little spray. This is like this is called it's from Nexus, and it's called Comb Through, and I'm basically just gonna use that and spray it all over my head. And then after that, I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys try this style. It's super easy, super simple, super fun. And follow me, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Girl look fine. The way how she back up, she back up, she back up. Watch how she sweet and she hot up. Look how she bounce up, hot up. Why